Hey, Linux Geeks! Welcome to Linux Geek Lab. Today, we're installing damn small Linux on VirtualBox for macOS. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the damn small Linux ISO from the link in the description. Step 2. Damn small Linux installation. 1. Open VirtualBox. 2. Click on New to create a new virtual machine. 3. Name your virtual machine. Let's call it DSEL. 4. Select the damn small Linux ISO file you downloaded. 5. Click Finish. 6. Power on the virtual machine. 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to install damn small Linux. Congratulations! You've successfully installed damn small Linux on VirtualBox. That's it for this detailed Linux Geek Lab tutorial. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.